What are you doing?
I'm making the bus. Look, Mom! I can make
You gonna make your own snow?
yeah.
What are you doing now?
I can get the snow.
What are you doing with the snow?
I'm making the snow. I'm rolling.
You're rolling. Oh, go on the next one.
Next one.
Yeah. How do you make snow? How do you make the snowman?
When you roll it.
You roll it. You going to make a big snowman?
Yes. Daddy, dito. Ah!
Where's it now? What happened to your gloves? Huh? Oh, where's your snowball?
Huh?
There it is. Very good. You've got a big snowball. Wow. Look at that. Are you going to teach Paeng how to make one too? Look at that. Your own snowman. Yeah. Okay. And some more. Next step. Go on the next step. Next step.
One.
No. One more. Step up a bit more. That's it.
Come on, you roll. Roll and roll it.
Wow, it's getting bigger. Look. Yeah. Oh, your gloves come off again? Okay, put it on.
Ready?
Okay.